Hi friends, today we study domestic animals and birds names. Dog, goat, cat, pig, rabbit, sheep, parrot, horse, duck, hen, cock, pigeon, emu, buffalo, donkey, turkey, cow, horse, yak, camel, llama, ox.